Most mid to large organizations operate with a work silo mindset, and it's affecting their culture, bottom line, and longevity. In fact, 40% of companies say that different departments have their own customer experience agenda. That isn't the most chilling statistic either. On average, Fortune 500 companies lose an estimated $31.5 billion per year solely from poor communication between teams. What's the day-to-day result of such inefficiency? Misaligned priorities, lack of trust between teams, information hoarding. The list goes on. Streamlined collaboration is the key to an organization that operates happily, efficiently, and profitably. LC5 aligns leadership teams so they work effectively on top priorities for their organization together, rather than in fragmented work silos that cause unproductive competition. Discover how your organization can implement this method by scheduling a live demo.